Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kubli Pibaro, Kaneke Apex News India, Kikuba and Puli Piba for Dor Marbo. Doing a pie show, Shakimat Kibakongsan. Kikubar Kibabanya. Umentri rang baka jela Meghalaya ukongrat ke sama uloong hakasngi baat baka jela kalapan klan bahaya ka business ecosystem da kabaweng no palat south pa telikian pat kikendon ban penlong ya ka senchar kadhar ka bakham suk bat kham ya dei bat kinong beiting ka ya kane lakren haka jingple ya ka reverse buyer seller meet 8000 akhunrio ka balong haka state convention center hashilong Umentri rang ba uloong ba kini ki jingpen kala kitmu ban pensok ya ki dukom trekam bat ban penlong ya ka sarkar ka bakham kloy ban jubab ya ka jingdan kam jong kinong sengkam bat kinong bei tingka ula ben rabru ba kombanyo photli ki kindon laweng no nakabenta ki kambala bat lazdangru ya ka unified investor portal ban pen kloy ya ka jingpen chai bat jingyo jingerap na ka sarkar
connecting Meghalaya comes to at least EU in these aspects. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we as a state, Meghalaya and the country, we are placed in a unique position to be able to take advantage even of these complex situations that are there. We need to create the right ecosystem. It's about the regulations that we need to have as a government. It's about the investments that need to be created by the entrepreneurs and the larger groups. It's about the logistics chains that we require to be able to transfer the products in a very, very efficient manner. It's about scaling the productivity so that an aggregator can come in and be able to provide that export to the buyer at a scale which will make sense for the particular buyer who's buying. And hence, all of this needs to be lined up. So what we're doing today is maybe the first step towards looking at that larger goal that we all should be targeting in the days to come. And again, I repeat myself what I said at the beginning. Yes, it is important to have these buyer-seller meets, but it is important to be practical. Even if we start small, I want that start to be a serious start. I want it to move forward. I don't expect that we will be having a $1 billion deal, MOU signed, and then suddenly everything flops tomorrow and there's not a single sale that is made. I think that would be the most disappointing thing that would happen. I'd rather not sign any MOU and have the sale that's taking place directly. I know a lot of people may not appreciate what I say, but I'm just speaking very straightforward. That does not mean that I'm discouraging you. Please don't think that. Absolutely not. I'm just telling you to be realistic and practical and realize the areas which we need to work on. So therefore, with these thought process in mind, let me also share that Meghalaya has been making a lot of, taking steps forward to create that ecosystem. I use this word a lot because I believe in it a lot. Whether it is ease of doing business, the percentage in terms of the steps that Meghalaya has taken may be one of the highest in the country today. The number of steps that we have taken to deregulate the different regulations that are there or were there in the system, more than 400 if I'm not wrong. 400 different regulations were removed. In Labour Department alone, about 70 regulations were removed. In fact, we were one of the worst in the country, but because of the hard work of the departments that were concerned, We are now today in the top 3 in terms of the number of deregulations being made. We have a unified portal for investors to come in with seamless process where they'll be able to get all the clearances required, which of course every state is doing. But I'm sharing with you because we also are now working and competing.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kalapan pau bakalong kabahu siar pura. Kabapet ngor baha bat kabapin kre banya kun ya kanu ka jingma kabala banmi na uknyang jingpang nipa. Watla ompat don kibayo ya kani ka jingpang ha ka jela hadu mentah. Umentri katanat ya lekai bat katanat samla uwailat miki shila ulayathu bala batha ya katanat jongka kwat kakya bakan pet ngor bha hadin balami ka kubor baki don ki jingpang nipa virus ha West Bengal. Ula pensyai baya kabamenta ompat don kanu kasabut kabatikna kabadon ya uni uknyang jingpang ha Meghalaya.
But as of now, we don't have any concrete evidence or any report, especially with the state of Meghalaya. And then I just don't want also to come as to make anything out of it to create panic to the public, because as of now we don't have any report of it. But as a health department, we are fully aware and we are fully prepared for that.
Okay, and so one more question, regarding Thursday, Mr. Conrad Sangma, he just sent a letter to the center regarding the youth, the national games which are going to be held here. So what is the financial structure like? What is the state expecting from center?
No. See, definitely the state will expect as much as we can from the central government. But at the same time, we do understand that when we ask to host the national game, we should be prepared ourselves. So no doubt we are prepared, but we are also pushing, we are also requesting central government, because Meghalaya also has his financial constraint. So definitely we have asked some amount. So let's see, because as of now I think it's too early for me to share the total amount, because we are yet to assess with other department also. It is not only the sports department, it is the national game, as you know, that it involve inter-department the work. So that's why we are still awaiting the estimate and other thing from the other department.
And so last thing about the budget, if you can just tell, recently the budget has been allotted. So is there anything that brings more power to the sports department?
See, as of now, frankly speaking, because I was all these days actually I have a series of programs. Even in Sunday also, yesterday also we have a couples of programs. So I have not got the opportunity to sit and really go through. No doubt it is quite a positive budget, especially for Northeast and especially for the state of Meghalaya. We have seen that the Khasi scheme, we have given the opportunity, the fund. So I think it is quite positive. But as such, to go on to the nitty-gritty of the budget, I have not got the opportunity as yet. But definitely I will hope that it will be really helpful especially for the sports department.
Thank you so much.
Kasorkar Modi kala penjur shishu ya ka jing perking bat ka jing yakun persha ya ki jing yo jing yarap ba shuthok ne bam dei hapo ka scheme Ayushman Bharat. Ki jing yo jing yarap bala suba ba kim dei shisha henrei ki kot hadu shispa lai pulai klur lakan taj no bat sakumba arspa nyo pu ar klur kadang don hapdeng ka jing ya pet penya. Palat sao poin riu pulai lak teli ki jing yo jing yarap lapha biang syaka jela ban penti kena biang ya ka jing pensisang. Ki bor senchar ki lapindon kam ya ki tiar AI ki kinhun lingsun jong ki babon teli ki district bat ki jing pet ngor ki bakham perkheng ban te lakam ya ka jing siu bai lut ksang.
Big crackdown under Ayushman Bharat, the Modi government has rejected suspicious health insurance claims worth 133 crore rupees, while another 272 crore rupees has been flagged for scrutiny. In a major move to curb fraud, the centre has returned 63 lakh claims to states for revalidation and verification. Multi-district flying squads are being deployed to catch fake billing and inflated hospital claims on the ground. Alongside this, AI-based monitoring tools are being rolled out to detect patterns of misuse and prevent fraudulent payouts. The message is clear: public health money will not be looted through fake claims.
Uhe jongka DRDO ula batay ya unam ding LRASHM Batamai Jongka India Kumka Jing Penkala Kabakrao Nakabenta Kishipai Kat Kumka Jing Ong Jongki He Sorkar Uni Unam Ding Un Aya Ka Jing Stat Kaba Kham He Bat Ka Jing Jingai Kaba Kham Jingai Kabaya Nujor Bat Kabramo System.
India is set to take a major leap in defense capability with a new hypersonic missile, which could become a game changer for the armed forces. DRDO Chief Dr. Samir V. Kamath said the long-range anti-ship hypersonic cruise missile, LRASHM, is far more capable than existing BrahMos systems, offering higher speed and longer range. 2 development trials have already been completed, with a third test planned soon. Once trials conclude, the missile will be offered to the armed forces for user evaluation before induction. DRDO is also working on land attack and air-launched variants. Showcased at the Republic Day parade, the missile is expected to have strong export potential. DRDO is simultaneously focusing on next-generation technologies such as aero engines, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, AIML, quantum tech, and advanced materials, backed by a higher capital allocation in the latest defense budget.
Kadag Jingtay Bat Jing Penwandur Batamai Hakakam Engineering Kadang Mi Shai Halor Ka Skyline Jong Ka Guwahati Kadba Ka Jingyatay Ya Ka Jingkieng Guwahati North Guwahati Jong Kawa Brahmaputra Kalajanda. Latay kani ka project hapo ka Jingyalam Jong Umintri Rangba ka Jila Assam Uhimanta Biswas Sarma kani ka project latmu ban penbha ya ka Jingyeso ban kentiyo ya ka yo ka kot Jong ka than da ka ba penbiang ya ka let kawan ka ba Hamstead bat ka basuk hapdeng baro arliang Jong kawa.
God goal.
And black also can be black
हाँ इनोग्रेशन फ्लैग हमें करते
यही
हैं रास्ता से
हाँ
आएगा
हाँ
ना।
हाँ पार्थो सब
रहेगा खाली प्रधानमंत्री जो जैसे स्पीच देता है ना देयर बी पोडियम वहाँ खड़ा रहेगा
राइट
ओपन टॉप তাৰ পৰা ঘূৰি আহি মানুহৰ আনি আহিবৰ কাৰণেও এই মাজৰ অকল জাগাৰ মানুহখিনিহে এইফালে আহিব এতিয়া ক'ত মাত্ৰ কিমান দিন লাগিব আপোনালোক গোটেইখিনি
Umintri Rangba ka Sarkar Jila India Ukiran Rijiju Uloong ba unong yalam ka Congress u Rahul Gandhi ba uday banpan map ya ka a ka ba ulakhat na kabenta jong kaseng ha ka ba lapindu no ya kathan aksai chin ha China ha kapor jong katma 6000 khandai span ripuar kani ka jingkren kalapan mi ya ka jing toket ha kasan perthai
चीन ने जो कब्जा किया आप कांग्रेस पार्टी आज वापस लेके दे सकता है 1959 में कई जगह अरुणाचल प्रदेश में भी जो नेफा था और लद्दाख में भी चीन के कब्जे में गए हैं मोदी जी आने के बाद तो हमारा पूरा बॉर्डर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बन गया वहां हमारा सीमावर्ती इलाकों में हर तरह का प्रबंधन फैसिलिटी दिया गया है हमारा आर्मी मजबूत से खड़ा है हमारा आर्म फोर्सेस देश सेवा में लगे हुए हैं और राहुल गांधी जी देश से माफी तो मांगे पहले क्योंकि जो भी जमीन जो भी हमने चीन के कब्जे में जाने दिया वो 1959 से पहले और 1962 में कुछ हिस्से गए हैं और 62 और 59 से पहला है तो आज राहुल गांधी जी पहले माफी मांगे हम लोग तो राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण पे धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव पे चर्चा करके सदन में एक दूसरा का हम सुन करके आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं आप किसी बड़े परिवार में पैदा हुआ तो क्या आप सदन से ऊपर हो गए अब नियम से ऊपर हो गए भारत लोकतंत्र देश है ये नियम से चलता है हमारा लोकसभा राज्यसभा का प्रोसीड्योर्स है रूल्स ऑफ बिजनेस जो कंडक्ट करता है कंडक्ट एक तो उसका तरीका होता है राहुल गांधी कोई रूल को मानते ही नहीं वो तो सोचते कि सदन से ऊपर है, और उसके कांग्रेस के सीनियर लीडर उठ की ताली बजा रहे हैं। कितना दृश्य देख करके भी खराब लगता है। लेकिन मैं अभी भी कहना चाहता हूं, राहुल गांधी जी थोड़ा अपना बुद्धि लगा करके अपने एमपीओ को भी समझाइए और खुद भी नियम का पालन करना चाहिए, ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है। और चाइना बॉर्डर को लेकर के कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जो पाप काम किया है उसके लिए माफी मांगना चाहिए।
Kabor Sanchar Jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University Classes pen ya sangut ki samla pulih namar balapin julor ya ka rukom jong ka campus face recognition system. Ka jing pentre shitom ka kenthop ya ka jing sha pen senge ya ki R semester but ki jing dan kuna hadu R pho hajar ka balabu ya uwe pa uwe usamla pulih. Ki bor penyat ki layat ho ba ki dang bishar banya ya ka nega kam.
बड़ा शैक्षणिक संस्थान वामपंथी अफकार का एक अड्डा बन चुका है।
हिडमा जैसे एक मोस्ट वांटेड क्रिम नहीं, मैं तो ऑब्वियसली आई से कॉमरेड, फॉर मी ही इज कॉमरेड फॉर श्योर।
यहाँ नक्सलियों को अब बाइफिक्र बताया जाता है। सत्ता विरोध कब और कैसे देश विरोध में ढल जाता है।
पैलेस्टाइन के ऊपर हमारा पॉलिटिकल टेक है कि हम उसकी क्या नाम है डिमांड करते हैं कि वहाँ पे जो भी जिनोसाइड है वो रुकना चाहिए इजराइल का। जेएनयू के जो 2 स्टूडेंट हैं सर्जिल इमाम और उमर खालिद, और उनको रावण की कैटेगरी में करके पुतला जलाना इज हाईली प्रॉब्लमेटिक हमारे लिए।
सर्जिल इमाम एंड उमर खालिद
उन्होंने सीआरपीएफ के जवान मार दिए, वो देश के लिए खतरा नहीं है।
जो आपके लेना है जरूरी नहीं वो हर किसी के लेना है।
strongly opposing the release of the accused booked under the UAPA in the 2020 Delhi riots conspiracy case.
आखिर इस सब के पीछे कौन सी हवा, कौन सी सोच, कौन सी ताकतें काम करती हैं?
असम को काटना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। असम और इंडिया कट के अलग हो जाए।
Basically about against the occupation of Kashmir by the Indian state, and I make it very apparent here. I am not from Kashmir, but I believe that what is happening in Kashmir is in an Indian occupation of Kashmir.
फौज के लिए और जितने भी जो भी यहाँ सप्लाई जा रहा है बंद करो, और वो बंद कर सकते हैं क्योंकि चिकन नेक्स्ट मुसलमानों का है, वो जो इलाका है मुस्लिम।
हम क्या चाहते हैं? मिलकर बोलो, मकबूल वाले, एक दल वाले, जो तुम ना दोगे, वो लड़के लेंगे।
Ka Supreme Court jong kari India kan bishar banya ya ka jinglong hok jong ki an persha ya ka jing kelaniam jong ki jela kat kum kariti sanchar ne ka constitutional validity of state anti-conversion laws ka ying bishar ka ba don laingut ki nong bishar kalapan mi ya ka jing pen bana shaboro ki jela ka center kalapan pauru ya ki jing sngokya ha ka ba yade bar ka jing trekam jong ki katu kat ni ki seng tremon sobha ha ka ni ka jinglong jing.
Three-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India will examine the constitutional validity of religious conversion laws across India. The hearing revisits long-settled principles after 1997 Constitution bench ruling that prohibited forced religious conversions. In a parallel submission, the centre has come down strongly against an NGO linked to activist Teesta Setalwad, alleging that it allows its name to be used by office bearers at the behest of select political interests and derives benefit from such activities. The developments bring both conversion laws and activist networks under renewed judicial and governmental scrutiny.
Lami kawe ka jing kulumar sabar jong kawe ka district court ha Bhopal namar balapan I batlawan ra ya unong sya kano Usaf Ali Khan ha ka jing day bat ka pokso but extortion case kabakanthop ya ukhnarit ki pulet kila tuklar bante lakam ya ka jinglong jingman ka video jong kani ka jingja kala sapriang bha ha ki social media badagi tu khbor nila poi she ka bakut ta hadu bangin dei shambiang khublei shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.